to its full size. In essence, the liver is a hard-working, multitasking organ, one that goes about its myriad duties silently and efficiently. It's the organ that never sleeps, that's always on duty, always ready to spring into action. This incredible organ, the liver, is indeed the unsung hero of our bodies, working silently, efficiently, and relentlessly. So buckle up as we take a deep dive into the fascinating world of this mysterious organ in the upcoming scenes. So, what does this powerhouse organ do? The liver plays several vital roles in our body. Let's dive into the liver's functions, starting with detoxification. It's like the body's personal waste management system. The liver filters out toxins from the bloodstream, including harmful substances we ingest like alcohol and drugs. It also breaks down the byproducts of metabolism that our bodies don't need, such as excess hormones and old red blood cells. In a way, the liver is our body's superhero, protecting us from harmful substances that can wreak havoc on our health. Next up is protein synthesis. Picture the liver as a bustling factory, diligently working round the clock. It produces numerous proteins that our bodies need for growth and repair. These include blood clotting factors, which prevent us from bleeding excessively when we get a cut, and albumin, a protein that helps maintain fluid balance in our bodies. The liver's role in protein synthesis is so crucial that without it, our bodies simply couldn't function. Finally, the liver is a master chemist, producing biochemicals necessary for digestion. One of these is bile, a greenish-yellow fluid that helps break down fats and absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Bile is stored in the gallbladder, but it's the liver that's responsible for its production. The liver also regulates our blood sugar levels by storing and releasing glucose as needed. It's like a thermostat adjusting our body's sugar supply to keep it just right. These are just a few of the liver's many functions. It's also involved in immune system support, storing vitamins and minerals, and even helps in the production of cholesterol. Each function is critical and interconnected, making the liver an organ of immense importance. So, the liver is a detoxifier, a protein factory, and a chemical laboratory, all rolled into one. Imagine having a dedicated detox system within you, working round the clock. That's your liver for you. This remarkable organ is your body's very own detoxifying dynamo. It's like a vigilant guardian, tirelessly working to cleanse your body of harmful substances that could otherwise wreak havoc on your health. But how does it pull off this feat? Let's delve in and find out. Picture this. Toxins, including alcohol, drugs, and other harmful substances, enter your bloodstream. They're like unwanted guests crashing your body's party. But here's where the liver steps in. It's like an efficient bouncer, ready to kick these intruders out. Your liver breaks down these toxins into less harmful substances through a sophisticated two-step process known as detoxification. In the first phase, the liver uses enzymes and oxygen to burn toxins, making them ready for elimination. However, this initial step can make some toxins even more harmful. But don't worry, the liver's got this covered. It swiftly moves to phase 2, where it further breaks down these potentially harmful substances, combining them with molecules like glutathione, a powerful antioxidant. This combination makes the toxins soluble, ready to be flushed out of your system through urine or bile. And the liver doesn't stop there. It also plays a crucial role in metabolizing drugs. Whether it's a painkiller for your headache or medication for a chronic condition, your liver ensures these drugs are properly processed. It breaks them down so your body can use them effectively, and then it eliminates any leftovers. The liver's work in detoxification is a shining testament to its relentless dedication to keeping us healthy. It's like our body's unsung hero, quietly doing its job, asking for nothing in return. But here's a sobering thought. Imagine if your liver weren't there to do this vital work. Your body would become a battleground filled with harmful substances. It's a scary thought, isn't it? Without the liver's detoxifying prowess, our bodies would be a toxic wasteland. So, let's take a moment to appreciate this incredible organ that works tirelessly to keep us in the pink of health. Did you know your liver is a vital manufacturing unit within your body? Yes, it's true. This remarkable organ operates as a protein factory, churning out numerous essential proteins every single day. Let's delve into the specifics of this process. The liver plays a crucial role in protein synthesis, a process integral to the functioning of our bodies. Proteins are the building blocks of life. They're necessary for the growth and repair of cells, the regulation of body processes, and they also serve as a source of energy. Among the proteins synthesized by the liver, two are especially noteworthy. The first is albumin. This is the most abundant protein in our blood plasma, and it carries out several vital tasks. It maintains the right balance of fluid in our bodies by preventing the leakage of fluid from our blood vessels. It also helps transport hormones, vitamins, and other substances throughout our bodies. Without albumin, these substances wouldn't reach the places they need to go. The second noteworthy protein is clotting factors. These are a group of proteins that work together to stop bleeding when we're injured. They form a clot over the wound, effectively creating a natural bandage that prevents further blood loss. Without these clotting factors, even the smallest cut could become a serious issue. To produce these proteins, the liver uses amino acids, the basic building blocks of proteins. These amino acids come from the food we eat, particularly from protein-rich foods like meat, eggs, and beans. Once the liver receives these amino acids, it gets to work, assembling them into the specific proteins our bodies need. So, the liver is not just an organ tucked away in our bodies, it's a bustling protein factory, working tirelessly to produce the essential proteins we need for growth, repair, and overall survival. The liver's role in protein synthesis underscores its importance in our bodies and highlights why we must take care of it. So, your liver is essentially your body's protein factory, producing and supplying what's needed for your survival. The liver is the body's chemical hub. It's a statement that rings true considering the pivotal role the liver plays in our body's chemical processes. One of the liver's most important functions is the production of biochemicals necessary for digestion. This biochemical production process is akin to a well-oiled assembly line, with each component playing a crucial role in keeping the system running smoothly. The liver is like a master chemist, diligently concocting a variety of biochemicals. Among these, one stands out for its unique role in digestion: bile. Bile, a yellowish-green fluid, is produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. But what is bile and why is it so important? Well, bile is a magic potion of sorts, specifically designed to aid in the digestion of fats. When you consume a meal, particularly one rich in fats, your liver kicks into high gear, producing bile that is then released into your small intestine. Here, bile acts as a detergent, breaking down large fat globules into smaller ones. This process, known as emulsification, is crucial as it allows lipase, the enzyme that digests fats, to work more effectively. Think of it this way: bile is like the key that unlocks the door to efficient fat digestion. Without it, our bodies would struggle to absorb fats and the fat-soluble vitamins that come along with them, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. It's fascinating to note that the liver, this silent and often overlooked organ, plays such a significant role in our daily lives. It's not just a producer of proteins or a detoxifier of harmful substances, but also a dedicated chemical laboratory. It ensures that our digestive system functions optimally, enabling us to enjoy the foods we love without worry. So let's take a moment to appreciate the liver for its tireless efforts. Without the liver, there would be no bile, and without bile, digesting fats would be an uphill task. Indeed, the liver is the unsung hero of our body's chemical processes. The liver's functions are so integral to our health that any malfunction can have serious consequences. Now you might ask, why is that? Well, the liver is more than just an organ. It's a vital player in our body's overall well-being. Imagine a city where the waste management system breaks down. What would happen? Trash would start to pile up, toxins would begin to accumulate, and soon, the city would be in chaos. That's a bit like what happens in our bodies when the liver isn't functioning properly. One of the most common health issues related to liver dysfunction is hepatitis, an inflammation of the liver. There are several types of hepatitis caused by different viruses, and they all lead to the liver not being able to do its job effectively. Over time, if left untreated, hepatitis can cause severe liver damage. Another liver-related health issue is cirrhosis, where the liver tissue becomes scarred due to long-term damage. This scarring makes it difficult for the liver to function properly, leading to a buildup of toxins in the body. And then there's liver cancer. This is a serious condition where cells in the liver start to grow uncontrollably. It's often a result of prolonged liver damage, and it can be fatal if not treated promptly. You see, the liver is like our body's personal chemical processing plant. It breaks down harmful substances, produces proteins, and helps with digestion. When the liver is not functioning correctly, these processes can be disrupted, leading to a host of health problems. Just as a city relies on its waste management system to function smoothly, our bodies depend on the liver to keep us healthy and thriving. From hepatitis to cirrhosis to liver cancer, the effects of liver dysfunction can be severe and far-reaching. So it's clear that the health of our liver is not something to be taken lightly. It's not just about the liver, it's about our overall health and well-being. The health of our liver is paramount to our overall health. Now that we understand the importance of the liver, how can we keep it healthy? Taking care of your liver is not rocket science. It's all about adopting a healthy lifestyle that promotes overall well-being. One of the key factors in maintaining liver health is a balanced diet. This means consuming a variety of foods from all food groups, including lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. It's also crucial to limit intake of processed foods, which are often high in sodium, sugars, and unhealthy fats. Dehydration can stress your liver, so keeping yourself well hydrated is another important aspect of liver health. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. It's simple, but it makes a big difference. Regular exercise is another cornerstone of liver health. Physical activity helps burn triglycerides for fuel and can also reduce liver fat. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking on most days. Now here's a significant one: limiting alcohol. Excessive alcohol is harmful to liver cells and can lead to a condition called alcoholic liver disease. If you do choose to drink, do so in moderation. For women, this means up to 1 drink per day, and for men, up to 2. It's also important to avoid risky behaviors such as illicit drug use or unprotected sex, which can lead to viral hepatitis. And remember, certain medications can be hard on your liver too, so always use them as directed by your healthcare provider. Regular checkups are also key to maintaining liver health. These can help detect any potential issues early, allowing for timely treatment and the best possible outcome. In the end, it all boils down to treating your body with respect. Your liver is a hard-working organ, and it deserves to be taken care of. So, eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, stay hydrated, limit alcohol, and get regular checkups. Taking care of your liver means taking care of your overall health. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of the liver today. We've seen how this mysterious organ is an essential part of our body, performing crucial tasks with astounding precision and efficiency. From detoxifying harmful substances to manufacturing proteins, the liver is a dynamo that keeps our bodies running smoothly. It also serves as a remarkable chemical laboratory, processing and storing vital nutrients while playing a pivotal role in our overall health. Any disruption in its functions can have far-reaching consequences on our well-being. That's why it's crucial to maintain liver health. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding harmful substances like excessive alcohol and illicit drugs are some of the ways to keep our liver in good shape. Remember, your liver is working hard for you. Give it the care it deserves. After all, a healthy liver is a key cornerstone of a healthy body and a healthy life.